Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for being here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and just listen carefully. Today's story is simple. It's just a phone call. But sometimes one call can change your mood completely. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 15. Today's story is called The Call He Almost Ignored. Let's begin. It was late evening. Ryan was lying on his bed, staring at the ceiling. His phone was next to him, screen lighting up again and again. Notifications, messages, calls. He didn't feel like answering anyone. He picked up his phone, looked at it, and put it back. Then suddenly, his phone started ringing again. This time, it was his friend, Alex. Ryan looked at the screen and sighed. "Not now," he whispered. The phone kept ringing. He almost ignored it, but something made him pick it up. "Hey," Ryan said, in a low voice. On the other side, Alex sounded energetic. "Bro, what are you doing?" Ryan replied, "Nothing, just resting." Alex paused for a second, then said, "You don't sound okay." Ryan tried to sound normal. "I'm fine." Alex laughed. "No, you're not." Silence. Ryan didn't reply. Then Alex said softly, "Long day." Ryan took a deep breath. "Yeah." Pause. Then slowly, he said, "I don't know. I just feel off today." Alex didn't interrupt. He just listened. Ryan continued, "Nothing went wrong, but nothing felt right either." Alex said, "One of those days." Ryan nodded, even though Alex couldn't see him. "Yeah, exactly." A few seconds passed. Then Alex suddenly said, "Okay, I have a solution." Ryan frowned. "What?" Alex said, "Get up." Ryan looked confused. "What? Why?" Alex replied, "Just get up." Ryan sighed, but sat up. "Okay, I'm up." Alex said, "Now go outside." Ryan laughed slightly. At this time, Alex said, "Yes, trust me." Ryan hesitated, but then stood up. He walked slowly, opened the door, and stepped outside. Cool air, quiet street, soft breeze. Ryan paused. Alex asked, "You there?" Ryan said softly, "Yeah." Alex said, "Now tell me, how does it feel?" Ryan looked around, then said, "Better, actually." Alex smiled. "I knew it." Ryan leaned against the wall. Silence. But this time, it felt peaceful. Then Ryan said, "Why does this help?" Alex replied, "Because you stopped staying inside your head." Ryan didn't answer, but he understood. A few moments later, Ryan said, "Thanks, man." Alex said, "Anytime." Then jokingly added, "And next time, don't ignore my call." Ryan laughed. "Yeah, I almost did." Alex replied, "Exactly, bad decision." Both of them laughed. After the call ended, Ryan stayed outside for a few more minutes. Same problems, same life, nothing changed. But his mood was lighter. And maybe that's how it works. Not every bad day needs a big solution. Sometimes you just need a small shift, a short walk, or one honest conversation. So next time, when you feel like ignoring everyone, maybe pick up the call. Because sometimes, the conversation you avoid is the one you need the most. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 15 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button, and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.